recording. Where's the bologna? Get the bologna. We're doing bologna races. It's the only way to stay sober in Canada. See? That's the prize. Bologna races. So who's going first?
I'll go first.
You go first?
Yeah.
It's the indecisive Maloney brothers.
Throw a cookie underneath the thing.
We're not ready yet, obviously.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Yeah. So what are we racing? 372s?
Yeah.
I'm voting for Sweden. Isn't that where mine's from?
Yeah, Husqvarna is Sweden.
I think still is too.
Still German.
Still's Germany. Yeah.
Some of the stuff is stamped Sweden.
So we got Sweden, China, and Germany.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Italy. There's some Italy.
Yeah,
in
the
that
crankcase and the bottom end and top end is
And
Italy.
Japan is the camera, and the Manfrotto tripod is from Italy.
I think I also got a the carburetors from
Zimbabwe.
Taiwan or something like that.
No, Zimbabwe.
Right, yeah,
Yeah.
the Zimbabwe carb.
So when I put the video together, we'll time it all.
Yeah.
And then I can put them side by side,
Yeah.
whatever. It doesn't
I'm still getting used to Serif, so I won't be able to do any of that.
No, I've got it all. Here.
Okay.
It's easy. I've been using Serif since 2014. So,
Oh.
you know. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Okay, we're recording. Your chain is still freaking loose, dude.
Is it? What the
Oh, just
fuck? I
do
just
it.
tightened it.
There's a
Doesn't
good
matter.
chain tensioner on there, I bet.
You can go whichever
Quality.
way you want. If you
Japan.
want to look into the sun, that's cool. Whatever. It's a fine looking mustache you got going there, son.
It's glistening in the sun.
That's right. Mine birds get caught in it.
Barbed wire.
There, and then it fucking tensions. Oh.
No, they're kind of weird. I know. And then mine's got a brand new X cut on it, the pre-stretched ones, which is bullshit. It's gonna stretch again right away.
Why did that?
Liam's like, I'll do yours up really tight so I win.
Soak up all his horsepower.
Kidding, eh?
Gotta get a big belly bar so it hangs nice and low.
Oh man, gotta have it's like halftime. Timber Sports halftime. This is our dollar store Timber Sports. Are you ready?
Yeah.
We're just wasting juice here. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like that dragster.
Hear him in the background ringing. Ring.
I'm gonna have to edit this out if you don't shut the fuck up.
Just
Get to it.
go.
You know, I'm gonna die of old age here.
Come on, Bucket. Well, you just had it running.
Oh
Dude.
man.
Oh, but she's flooded now.
Okay.
Oh, there we go. What'd you do?
I don't know what the fuck he's doing. Right on, man. That was
quick.
That was a good one.
Yeah.
Good file job on that one.
It sounded good, eh? Come right off a 4-stroke and it's held
the
solid.
Yeah.
Just closing the screen there. The screen freezes and then it goes off.
Oh yeah, LCDs aren't a fan of the cold.
So I just close it. Keep the eyepiece open.
Are you gonna run the others?
Yeah.
372 against 372.
Yeah, China versus.
Get rid of the
Sweden.
variables.
What's we've got a legit saw and then we've got the counterfeit model.
It's a counterfeit, no emissions one.
It's got the x-torq.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's supposed to make it what, more friendly to the environment?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're not friendly to the
Yours
environment.
has a
at all.
thicker handle.
It's really
Well,
Mine's
you
thin.
said that before.
Yeah.
Yeah,
What the
weird,
fuck?
eh?
Yeah, it's got that extra side port.
Wrap it.
Yeah.
fast.
Yeah.
I think you got to get rid of that thing there. Just get rid of it.
Get rid of it. There's
Oh, the
enough
shit under it, that's why.
Yeah, what are you gonna do? It's no
coverage
big deal.
underneath.
Yeah.
Or you can just go down, like whatever. That was awesome.
Oh, there's already a bump stick down there anyways now.
Bump stick,
Yeah.
bump stock.
Almost had a bum stick there earlier.
Bump stick.
Stupid things, frick.
Oh.
What are we doing now there, man? We got to tell the folks at home.
660.
660 cloner.
Another
China
Farmertec.
special.
Quick.
10
Call the
sprocket.
Navy. Warning
With the
shot
double
over the
barrel
bow.
exhaust.
Get out of here, you clone. I just got it in the face. That was fast, man. That was
Oh, I
really.
left her crooked.
That was really fast.
I'll straighten her out.
No, wait. Use the 562. Warm it up and let's just see what it'll do.
Yeah, baseline with the 562.
I was cutting a stump, so it might be dull. I don't know. You'll have to look at the teeth. Damn, that little fucker's fast,
Yeah,
eh?
yeah.
Jesus! Got that file down chain, too. I don't know who won.
Yeah.
We got the Bologna here, but I don't think Tinman came close. I think you're in last place.
Yeah.
I think my 372 wiped the floor with you. What do you think? I mean, you used them, not me.
Yeah.
Which felt faster.
Mine, I think I need to take the rakers down a tiny bit more
do it.
because it felt like it was trying to pull
we got
itself
lots
down.
of time. Let's
go.
just stop recording for a second and do some tuning here, right?
Yeah.
You know, like Miss Budweiser, except we ain't got no money. That kind of thing. Okay.
Intermission.
So we have a comedian here on intermission. He drew a picture of his penis. Is that what your wiener looks like, Liam?
Actual scale.
The scale. One nut looks like maybe you got some kind of an issue. Is it cold or do you have some kind? Did someone kick you?
Yeah, I think the one skipped some growth.
Man, that sucker's short and wide. Is it flat like that too? Like
It's like a flapjack.
thin pancake, eh?
Yeah.
Just like you. You big turkey. And see, now I gotta edit that shit out too. Damn it. And we're back. Tin Man has got his rakers filed down. Hopefully his performance won't be so pathetic this time. Liam's filling his face with Jack Links. It's our sponsor. Our intermission sponsor. There we go, Jack Links. Yeah. And someone drew a penis. Just for you. It's a white penis too. Like a flapjack, apparently. Can you get your saw started this time? That was so funny. You're just like, fuck it! Just, ah!
Fuck it, we're
Second
cutting
one,
45.
he didn't go right. He's just like, I don't care how big the disc is. I'm cutting this bitch. Oh, fuck me. You're so funny, dude. So tell your aunt, the funniest dude in the forest. That's why I go. What are you going out there to freeze your house for? Watch to see what Tin Man does. Oh, shit. That's got the 25 thou only.
Yeah.
So you can lean hard on it. What are you doing, man?
The taper on the cuts, buddy.
I keep fucking smacking the ground and it's not going in. And
Here's Liam's.
yeah, because we're getting closer to the ground, so I don't have enough room
you
to
can't
drop
be poking her in the eyes and the ribs and shit. You gotta be
You
accurate.
gotta have the accuracy. You better be able to take that thing and do that when you're done.
You got 1 inch is what they give you. Eh?
Yeah,
They
but
give
then
you
when
an
I
inch.
drop down,
If you
like,
go over an inch,
fuck, I
it's-
don't
you
really
lose.
have a lot of
Doesn't
room
count.
to
Well,
move
just go
around.
down.
Yeah.
Go down. It doesn't matter.
No.
It doesn't matter what you do. We're gonna bug you. Oh, fuck me. So funny.
Yeah, I can't break that.
You're gonna take a bite out of one this time, or?
Yeah.
Okay, so there's no reason for you to not take the 562 and try to stall it. Let him do his thing with his 660, but
Yeah.
and then there's also this 18, eh? You can
Yeah.
try. Or we can go cut. Like you can say, okay, I'll do the thing at home and somebody take the bologna home. I don't want it. I don't know. I think. Yeah, I think he's getting the bologna today. I think he's fucking beat me.
That fucking hauls now.
Well, like we said, you needed way more.
Yeah.
I think my 562's got like closer to 40 on it.
Yeah.
So
Alrighty.
you can do 562 and see if just. Who cares if you stall it? It doesn't
Yeah.
matter. Just push hard, man. See what you can get away with. It's all, you know, people think we're just idiots out here, but we're actually trying to learn something.
Yeah.
We're sciencing.
We're mass communicating, baby!
can't
That was
fucking
one-
stall
I-
it.
that was
see
one
how
fast
much
little
pressure
bugger,
you
eh?
put in that
Well, we'll let
last
Liam
one.
try to stall it.
Yeah, here.
Take a break. It's no big deal. Just set it down wherever, but it's got
Yeah,
no
see if I
teeth.
can
It's
just
got no teeth
fucking
left, eh?
lean
It's
Yeah.
fallen
right
down
up
to
into it.
shit. I think they're closer to about 40, the rakers, but there's no teeth left, eh?
Yeah.
Stupid log, still too low. We need a log that's up, the right height, eh?
Yeah.
So on his last cut, he got the relationship.
Yeah.
The pressure to the chain speed. He got,
Yeah,
that'll be
I was
fast on,
Playing with
when
that.
we go ahead, yeah, that'll be quick, eh?
Yeah.
So you're gonna do an 18-inch X cut? Or you don't care? Like, it doesn't matter?
Doesn't really
Dude, I don't
matter.
really give a shit. Okay, you guys pick which saw you want me to haul ass with here, and we'll see if Uncle Bill is geriatrics. This
and
is
blow
the
up
test,
Chinese
eh? Whether I
saws.
can go in the bush again or not.
Yeah. I'll
can
give you a
pick-
660.
Pick whatever saw you want.
You haven't played with the 10 tooth yet.
That's the 10 tooth?
Yeah.
Oh, you cheating bastard! I didn't know that.
You son of a bitch.
Oh, you fuck
Don't
you.
fucking step on the bar. 370.
Okay, we're still recording here.
That's why it's got the funky chain on it, because it's
God.
2 chains slapped together just for testing, and then I just ran with it.
You're such a cheater!
Oh, this
It's a race saw.
freaking. What's that?
It's a race saw.
Yeah, you just need a
I
fucking pipe
posted it.
to say the only touch up.
Compression.
I'll give you my opinion. Put an 8 on it.
Yeah. Yeah, the 10
You
might
put
be
an
too
8 on it,
much.
we'll never catch you. 10's not, because see me stall it, and I didn't,
Yeah.
when I had it the other day, I couldn't.
Yeah.
Like, I really pushed hard with that 7. If you put an 8
Oh,
on
yeah.
it,
Yeah, 7 on it, it's got worlds of torque. 10's probably too much.
372 is right on your heels because of that 10.
Yeah.
It's not that fast. You just think it is,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah, it was meant to be an 8, and then they sent me a bag of like 5 10 tooths. I'm like, what the fuck are these for?
I'm just saying, I can feel it. If you put an 8 on, we're screwed.
Yeah.
We'll never catch you. Never catch you.
That, and I think the gap on the backside of the bar is too much, so it's losing a lot of its oil out through the back.
Oh, I see.
Because
Well,
the
yeah.
bar tapers, but
Hey,
then the
man, you
sprocket's
know
so
what?
big.
You know, fault us for experimenting. That's what we do.
Oh, yeah.
We screw around. This is what,
Yeah, it was
this
like,
is why we come in the bush.
like
Mess around.
$6 for that pack,
Yeah.
even though it was only supposed to be a single 8 tooth.
I'll try your 372 Tinman. I'll see what I think. Thanks, man. Don't make me reach. He loves doing that to me, eh? Man, yours is super heavy. His is light, actually. No. Big piece of shit.
I was just gonna say, what are you smoking?
Yeah, 660 is fucking heavy.
Some fancy hot dogs.
3-liter water soup.
I've been using. It's just booby traps everywhere. Having used this still for 30 years, you get used to turning it off and turning it on.
Yeah.
Turning it on. You just get used to it.
Yeah.
You know. So that's why you find, oh, it's already on. Well, yeah. I wait for it to go blur and then turn it back on.
Yeah.
These audible on ones are the way to go, but hope it starts. Got a tiny pull handle too, the recoil handle.
Yeah.
Is it ever little? It's like
Oh yeah,
from
that's got the modern style Husky on it. That's the old school, is the square.
little.
Yeah.
I guess it doesn't matter.
Gotta get one of those snowblower pulls where
Nothing wrong with that. That, what I just did there, is probably the same as mine.
Yeah.
Like, I don't see the difference.
yeah, they seem
You're just
close.
not as aggressive. That's
Yeah.
all. It's hard to get pressure and chain speed. It's got to be perfect to win.
Yeah.
It's the only way you can win.
That's what they practice on the
Oh,
most.
fuck.
They don't once they got the chainsaw tuned into where it should be. It's all practice.
Your arms have to be like a robot.
Yeah.
So many foot-pounds up,
The-
so
the
many
mu-
foot-pounds
the
down.
muscle
Yep, that
memory.
muscle memory, eh? You know? That was fast.
And the speed
Yeah.
of
I
going
found it quick.
from your down cut to jump over and up cut that and get it bang on.
That's
that.
how you lose.
Yeah.
Is that if you burple there, you're screwed. You
Yeah.
lost.
Yeah.
You know?
And
Yeah, you
watch
see
those
guys,
professionals where
they
just
stumble and they
slam the saw into the wood because of how quick it is.
Yeah.
yeah, you see the guys, they stumble. That's it for them. They don't
It's
even
those
try
hundreds
their
of
next
it-
cut.
Off
They're
and they
just,
just
no.
DNF it.
Well, or if they don't make a full disc, they know they're done.
Yeah.
Some guys just finish for the crowd. Like, you
Yeah.
know, they just
Yeah.
don't give a
I'm gonna
crap.
run them side by side.
You gonna do both 372s?
Yeah.
Okay, good. You know, clean up, man. Clean up.
Oh
Bump stick.
chain while you're
Bump stick. But see the relationship?
Yeah.
When he overloaded it there for that 1 second, that's where you lose.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Once you hear the burr.
It's a bigger chip,
Yeah.
but there's not as many, so you lose. Eh?
Yeah.
He's gonna bump mine too, and then he's gonna, you guys want to race? Oh, sure. Screws up all the huskies.
Yeah. It's like that video I sent you, Liam, with the guy with the 170 sends it through the fucking raft in the canal that the guy's trying to get to him. I have to find the video. It's like.
His third cut was quick,
Yeah.
but to see the 25 thou, it's not as quick as his.
Yeah.
That 25 thou is holding it back, eh?
I was watching his chips. He was getting these long chips, but it was pretty slow.
It's not the same.
Yeah.
When you run 25 thou, that's because it's a brand new chain. I just took it out of the box. Remember, I sent you that? Put it on, let's see what happens. So you can see 25 thou is nice and safe.
Yeah.
But if
I
it's
think that's
productive,
the only thing that held that back from being faster is
Yeah.
the.
Did you feel it like try and pull itself down?
I don't think I've tried mine yet today. I don't know.
Yeah, it's hard to explain how that.
It's not the same.
difference
It's
feels.
not biting the same way.
You can lean into it, and it doesn't bite any harder. It just feels like it grabs the chain.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
my saw kept wanting to pull itself down and into the log, but it wasn't cutting the same way that it wanted.
Yeah, this doesn't have the same forward grab into the log.
Yeah.
And it didn't have to
25
push
thou
it
is
so far back when up cutting because it wants to eject the saw out.
Yeah.
24 thou is, or 25 thou is fast and safe. That's what they're after, right? You know, it's a liability thing. Whereas
Yeah.
that's why we go to 35. I mean, we want it faster. That's what we want to do. I like 35 on limbing because the limbs just pop right off. There's
Yeah.
none of this screwing around.
Yeah.
I'll give mine a shot here and see what happens.
The color difference in orange.
They were weird, eh?
Yeah. It's like a mix between the two. It looks
Yeah,
more still
strange, eh?
orange.
Yeah,
Kinda weird.
I'd almost say it's close to still orange.
Yeah.
I wonder if they just use the same fucking plastic and say, "Oh, good enough."
Yeah, we don't care about your Chinese sawmill. Just like screw off with that. What? You should probably put it over there, away from all the rest of them. There we go, better. Yeah, you can feel it holding it back, eh?
Yeah.
That little wee bit, eh? What a difference. 10,000, fuck.
Yeah.
It's fast. Anybody else that would come out here and go, holy shit, but it's just not the same. It's not the same animal at 25,000.
Yeah. Anyone not
Doing
not
this all
doing
the
what
time.
we do is they call that holy shit. That's fast, but that's
Throw your
not-
660 through that big log, chum. Just out of the way. I'll zoom in. Yeah, that I was pushing on the 660 like I'm used to,
yeah.
and I was like, I got a feather that's the 10 to. It ain't got the same.
Yeah.
It's quick.
Yeah.
If my 372 was filed down, you'd lose
Oh yeah.
because of the 10, eh? If he had a 7 or 8, forget it. He'd kick our ass. It's, which makes sense,
Is
right?
your bottom scrunch on the muffler turning blue?
Probably.
Nice.
I should try my 562. I don't think I tried it.
Yeah,
I think I've tried everything but my own damn saw.
Yeah.
I haven't even painted the scrunches. I just
People
let
say
the
people just leave them because then you
What's
get
that?
purple.
Painted what?
the scrunches that I have welded into the
What's the
muffler.
scrunches? Oh, right.
Yeah.
I saw Buck and Billy had that. Is that where you got the idea, or somewhere else?
Yeah, it
there's
was
the
a
the bush one that
Combination of a couple. He's got one where he's got two of them side by
a big
side.
scrunch and a small scrunch on the bottom.
Oh yeah.
It's quick, boy.
Oh yeah.
Oh, the log is smoking a bit.
Log smoking.
Couple slices of bologna.
It's hard to keep the same sound in a piece of wood that changes its size,
Yeah.
right? That's your challenge.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you've got impurities in there.
But think about it.
That's what I think they practice
You're
on
cutting
telephone
something
poles.
this wide, and then it's getting narrow again.
Yeah.
You have to be able
It's
to
that pressure.
very finite
let off.
adjustment
Yeah.
in your arms. Yeah, that's what's going on.
Yeah, it's not a constant pressure all the way through.
It's like
You
using
gotta
an
be
acetylene
heavy
torch to
when
cut
it's-
through tubing.
when
You
it's
got to
thin,
change your.
and then
That's
let
right.
off
You
when
blow
it's
through the
big.
side, and then you got to back off.
Yeah.
eh? You know. So it's a real. Everybody thinks you're just cutting wood. No, there's lots going on.
Yeah.
You know, especially when you're racing.
Certainly
Don't need
Yeah.
anything bigger than that. Shit.
No.
We get that 550 out here with the 3/8 on it.
Yeah.
Tiernan keeps getting hit in the face
Every
for
time
some
you start,
reason.
it just get black.
I don't know why.
No, what's going on there? Oh, you stack.
You okay there?
Oh yeah, I'm good.
Okay, here's the bologna.
Here.
Here you go. You won the bologna.
Bologna.
The cloner won the bologna. Yay, speech! Speech!
I'd like to accept this bologna.
On behalf of the clones of the world,
Have the clones and
counterfeit products of society.
the fine china of the internets.
Okay, are we gonna go cut something?
Sure.
Okay, we're done here. Right on, man. That works quick.